Very serious weather in our area, and Kristen's here to talk about that.
Yeah, and it's just all over the place when it comes to what your impacts are going to be. You know, the valley primarily dealing with the flood threat. We're going to have to keep a close eye on the river levels, especially tomorrow night into Friday, because all this rain kind of has to come first, and then you see the rise there. And then you get to the coast. High winds, Thursday night in particular, we could see very strong damaging winds there, and then you have the ice and the snow threat in the gorge. So just so much going on out there. Let's go ahead and talk about it. In Skamania Lodge, this is our live camera there. Snow has been coming down and it's been picking up as we've gone through the day today, and we're going to see another round of heavy snow moving on in. And we could see for parts of the gorge up to a foot of snow. Then you start to get farther west and you start to see it transition into freezing rain, where ice will likely accumulate, and that threat primarily tonight, where we could see quite a bit of ice accumulating there. 36 degrees right now in Portland, so it is cold and rainy, but enough above freezing that is all liquid, and we're just watching for ponding on the roads, and again keeping a close eye on river levels. It feels like 28 degrees out there right now, and of course a messy commute out there. 40 in Kelso. We're in the mid 40s as you head farther south in the central and southern portions of the valley. Hood River right at 32 and 31 at the Dow, so we're right at freezing here, and as warm air moves in aloft again, that's going to help transition areas west of Hood River to freezing rain and sleet. Your evening planner tonight: rain, 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 rain. It's not going to stop. In fact, it's just going to get heavier as we push into the overnight hours. And look at the temperatures. They start to go up because we're going to start to tap into deeper moisture and warmer conditions as we go through the overnight. And tomorrow we'll go from highs today struggling to get out of the 30s to highs in the low to even mid 50s tomorrow afternoon. It'll feel almost tropical outside. So this afternoon, here's a look at the rain. It's all pushing in through the Cascades. We'll be coming down as snow, but at high levels, snow levels go up to about 8,000 feet tonight. 10 p.m. we're still looking at round after round of rain in the valley. Heavy rain back to the coast range and coastal areas. Again, 3 to 6 inches of rain by the time we get through tomorrow afternoon in total for the coast and the coast range. We get to Thursday morning, and look at this. It just doesn't really stop. We'll have, intermittent light rain, and then next thing you know, it'll be heavier coming down, but it doesn't really stop until we get into about the lunch hour tomorrow. So overnight lows tonight down into the 40s, so actually warmer than it is out there right now. Heavy rain and breezy southeast winds at about 15 to 25. Waking up tomorrow morning, we'll probably have another band of very heavy rain to move in to make the morning commute a mess. I-84, ice and snow, and then the Cascades getting snow too. This is the lunch hour. You can see it really starts to break up. We'll start to see some clearing. You may even see some sunshine by the lunch hour, and then after that is when you get into those downpours. You may even see thunder developing along coastal areas, and the winds start to really ramp up along coastal areas from south to north, and then we're dodging downpours here, maybe even hearing a rumble of thunder or two. Getting to Friday, weather stays unsettled, and we'll see showers on and off for a lot of the day. Snow levels drop, and we're going to be looking at another big dose of snow for the Cascades. We're going to have to keep a close eye on backcountry avalanche problems because of all the mix of rain and snow there. Rain total forecast as we continue into tomorrow. We've already picked up about ½ inch of rain. We're going to be looking at picking up potentially another 1.5 inches of it for the valley, and then of course a lot more for the coast, and then ice and snow as you head through the gorge. So your forecast for Thursday: very windy, low to mid 50s for highs at the coast. We could see wind gusts between 65, 75 miles an hour there. For the valley, temperatures in the low to mid 50s. We're back up to 50 in Bend. It'll be breezy there and wet and icy through the gorge. Don't forget, we have flood watches in effect until Saturday morning, and then we had that ice storm warning for this section of the gorge, and then you have the winter storm warning as you head east, and your 7-day forecast showing things do get better for the weekend. Thank goodness. We're back to 40s with some sunshine perhaps by Sunday, and even Saturday looks pretty dry. So the wettest weather still yet to come. That'll happen tonight and early tomorrow morning.
Gosh, and I thought this morning was so wet when I took the dog though.
Yeah, nope. It's going to get a lot worse.
It's going to get worse.
Yeah.
Hold
Thanks,
on.
Kristen.
Still to come, Oregon